Meet the Rugged Combo 3. Designed with educational professionals, it unlocks the potential of your iPad in classrooms or anywhere you take it. Here's how you can use Rugged Combo 3 to make the most of your classroom. Rugged Combo 3 has been engineered to exceed military standards of drop protection. That means you can drop it from 4 feet and it'll still protect your iPad. The magnetic latch keeps your iPad in place and protects it while you're on the go. The resilient keyboard features a spill-proof, pry-proof membrane that can withstand classroom mishaps. When spills happen, just wipe it and keep going. The extra-large asset window on the back gives you plenty of room to add a tag and see other specs. Use your Rugged Combo 3 any way you like. It's sturdy and won't tip over. The adjustable stand at the back lets you find the perfect position for your iPad. A permanently attached keyboard makes it easier for students to type and to perform all kinds of functions. The plug-resistant keys are protected under a sealed membrane that protects them from prying fingers. The protective membrane also allows for silent typing, so students can type away while maintaining the sanctity of your classroom. iOS shortcut keys keep important functions at students' fingertips. Let's go over the shortcuts now. Home. Go to the home screen. Screen brightness. Virtual keyboard. Shows or hides the virtual keyboard. Search. Brings up iOS search field. Siri. Activate digital assistant. Screenshot. Take a photo of current screen. Media controls. Back. Play or pause. Forward. Volume controls. Lock screen. Locks iPad screen. Rugged Combo 3 has 4 different modes. For type mode, dock the keyboard upright. Just fold the keyboard downward and open the kickstand. If you'd like, the palm rest can be flipped under the keyboard to save space. For viewing mode, fold back the keyboard behind the iPad. This is perfect for watching videos. For sketch mode, collapse the screen all the way down. This is great for sketching and writing with your Logitech crayon. For read mode, close the kickstand and tuck in the palm rest to have access to the camera. Then, fold the keyboard behind the iPad. Use this mode to read books, articles, and more. No need to pair or charge your Rugged Combo 3. The keyboard connects to your iPad via the smart connector and sources the little power it needs from the iPad. The smart connector also offers a secure one-to-one connection, which protects your students' data. When you need to charge your iPad, just plug in through the Lightning port. And the Rugged Combo 3 is only 2.4 centimeters wide, slim enough to fit in the most popular charging cards. All the important ports and controls are easily found around the sides of your Rugged Combo 3. Here's the Lightning port for charging, the headphone jack, the power button, and volume controls. Rugged Combo 3 is easy to clean. Just make sure to spray your cleaner onto a cloth and wipe away. And remember, don't spray directly onto the device and don't use bleach. And you're good to go!